Go in this ABC store and see how much a 25-ounce beer is, because I just saw one in MGM that I said was going to be $14 and it was only $10. It's really surprised me. Let's see if what the prices are in here. I think this is about, that Miller Lite right there is something I would get because I want good value, but I wouldn't get it here. So let's find out how much it is. How much is this? $10. 10? Yeah. Actually, that's not a bad deal. $10. I mean, considering most of these dynamic prices are way more than that, like 14. Ooh, $4.99 for a 2. Oh, that's a damn good deal. And that Ultra is 2 for $5. Yeah. Well, I've been telling you to go in ABC stores instead of the hotel lobby. Boy, was I right. I thought it was more drastic than that, but golly, their prices are great.